This video is for the creators' rights assignment. Your partner should have clicked on a creators' rights and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the document under the Your Work heading. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click next to your partner's name, and you're just going to make sure that both of your names are on there. So once you have your partner's name, then what you'll do is click on the share button up in the top right corner, and then you'll share it to your partner. Make sure that you spell their name correctly, and make sure that you add the @hanoverstudents.org, and again that's spelled correctly, and then you'll click on send. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the circle in the bottom left corner. And then you're going to click where you see the G Google logo and type in Web Store, and then click on the Web Store icon that appears. From here, what you're going to do is over here where it says search the store, you're going to type Drumbit, and that's going to be all one word. And then from here, you're going to click on the circle next to apps. Next, what you'll do is click on the top Add to Chrome button, and then click on Add App. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on the circle again, bottom left corner. So there's the circle. And then you're going to click on the Drumbit icon. And if this appears, you can just click the X right there. So anyway, you've got these different drum kits that you can click on, and they'll have different sounds. So anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on one. And then from here, what you would do is click on any spot where you want it to make a noise. And then you can listen to it by hitting the play button. All right. Then what you can do is you can change how fast it goes. So right now it says 80 BPM. If you were to increase that number, let's just say, for example, I did 130, and then I hit play, you'll notice it goes faster. All right, anyway, then you're going to click on where it says 2, and you can continue to add more sounds to your beat. Anyway, once you have completed your beat, you're going to click the circle to record it. So I'm just going to do that now. And what you want to do is record it for at least 10 seconds. And then hit the stop button when you're done. All right, and then if this pops up, you're going to click on Google Drive and click Save. However, if it does not pop up, what you're going to do is click on the circle in the bottom left corner and type in the word Files, and then click on where it says Files. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you're on where it says Downloads. And you're going to see your Drumbit file. You're going to click and drag that into Google Drive. So we'll just go ahead, click and drag it into Google Drive. Okay, so then what we're going to do next, we can exit out of this window, and we can exit out of Drumbit. Just go ahead and click on the tab above Drumbit just so you can return back to Google Chrome. So then what you're going to do is open up a new tab, and in the new tab you're going to go to Google Drive. So I'm just going to click on my grid, click on Drive, and then from here what you're going to do is you're going to click on Recent on the left hand side. And then from here you should see your Drumbit file. You're going to click on it just once, and then click on the person with the plus sign in order to share it. So then what you're going to do is you're going to share it with Mrs. Foley. So it's efoley@hanoverschools.org. And then you're also going to share it with your partner as well. So then just go ahead and click on send. And then what you're going to do is you're also going to, again, make sure that you've clicked on your drum bit once. You're going to click on this little get shareable link icon, and then you're just going to switch that on and then click to highlight the URL, and you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click back over to your creator's rights document. You're going to scroll down to page 2. And then right here for part 1, there's a blank. You're going to click in that blank, hit Control-V on your keyboard, and then hit the space bar. So now you'll have a clickable link to your beat. If you were to click on it and then click the blue link underneath it, then it's going to bring you to your beat. So here, for example, if we hit play, we'll be able to hear the beat. Anyway. So then what you're going to do is read the information about copyright law. So copyright, people have to give you credit, cannot sell your work, and cannot change your work. They can only use a small portion without your permission. So we're going to scroll down to question 1, what kind of license do you want? We're going to say copyright. And then from here, what we're going to do is scroll down. And actually, I'm going to scroll up a little bit, changed my mind. And we're just going to click and drag to highlight the information about copyright and hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. I'm just going to put it down here at the bottom so that we can reference it. So I clicked underneath here and then hit Control-V on my keyboard to paste it. So then you're going to say, are people allowed to use your entire beat without permission? The answer is no, because they can only use a small portion without your permission. So we're just going to go ahead and click on no. Are people required to give you credit when they use your beat? It says people have to give you credit, so we're going to click yes. So just put an X under yes. Are people allowed to make money from your beat? It says they cannot sell your work, so no, they cannot make money from your beat. Are people allowed to change your song slightly to make it their beat? It says cannot change your work, so again, we're going to click under no and put an X there. The last thing you're going to do is click on turn in. And so then it's going to bring you to the screen, and just make sure that you hit the turn in button again when it appears, and that's it.